Hello everyone. Take a container, add glue to it and then add wires around it. Then take some jute thread, wrap it around accordingly, bend the top of the wires ever so slightly and then continue to wrap it around. Add a bow to it as well. Take an empty rectangular container, add cloth to it and then add jute lining thread to it. Add sofa at the top and make it look like a sofa. Cut up a bottle and then line it with jute thread. Take two circular shapes of the hole as such and once more make wheels out of it. Add the top together and then add a handle to it. Add grass in the middle. Take a box container and then cut off the excess. Add wires to it in this particular shape to make this V-shaped height. Add a handle to it and then add decorations. Cut out this oval shape using some cardboard paper. Add wires around it and then line it with jute thread alternatively. Add cloth to one end of it and make a little container cap out of it. Take a circular container, wrap wires around it and then use jute thread around it alternatively. Then add cotton on one of the sides and then add it inside the container. Line it with lace and make a small little bed. In order to do so, take a circular shape, take two of them, line it with any sort of cloth. Add wires around it and lift it up. Then line it with jute thread, make a little handle out of it. Taking a circular container, wrap it around alternatively, leave the top portion standing. At the back, add some lace. Add a little sofa cushion to it. Take two circular containers that are lined with cloth, add wires to it and then line it with jute thread. Lift it upwards and continue to do so and then add a flower to it. Next, take a cap container, add thread to one end, add cloth to one end. Then add wire at the top and lift it up. Then line it with jute thread. Add a handle to it. Thank you for watching.